So Edgar Cruz Escobar just finished the Detail Czar 3-day certified licensee training. He did a fantastic job all 3 days.
Thank you.
So in general, what do you think of this weekend, man? You had the business training on Friday. You had the exterior training, paint correction, ceramic coating training on Saturday. Today you had the interior detailing and coating training along with the headlight restoration, the engine dressing. What do you think of this whole weekend, man?
And overall, very nice program, complete. Couldn't ask for more. A nice trainer and
Yeah, Chase did a great job.
Thank you.
a
Appreciate it.
mentor over there with the camera.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Overall, a good experience.
Great
Yeah.
experience. And you drove all the way in from Iowa. How many hours?
12 hours.
12 hours, man. 12 hours.
Yeah.
So, and
Worth it. Very
definitely worth
Yeah.
it. We greatly appreciated. You're now a Detail Czar official licensee. You have lifetime mentoring from myself and Chase. You have discounted pricing on our products, and get you that website too if you wanted to. Well, thank you so much. Have a safe trip back. Greatly
Thank you.
appreciate. Did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.